A man spent $400,000 to hire a professional assassin, but the target was himself and he wanted it done cleanly. The contract killer's boss was thrilled. Who would have thought such a sweet deal would come along? Easy money and a straightforward job. He pulled out the company's hit list and selected Bob, their top assassin. Bob was a master of long-distance kills, capable of taking out a target from up to 3 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy, guaranteed to be painless. Just after completing his previous assignment, Bob quickly received a new contract. But the moment he saw the target's photo, he flat out refused, despite the massive payday. The man in the picture wasn't just anyone, he was Claude, a notorious hitman known throughout the underworld. What Bob didn't know was that the person wanting Claude dead was actually himself. It all started when Claude received devastating news during a routine medical checkup. The doctor informed him he had a rare, incurable cancer. As a professional assassin, suicide crossed his mind. But each time he raised his gun, he hesitated. The reason? His beloved girlfriend. They were deeply in love, and Claude knew that if he committed suicide, it would void the massive life insurance policy, leaving her with nothing. So he concocted a brilliant plan: hire someone to kill him. Claude first approached his longtime boss and friend of 30 years, explaining his twisted logic. After a lifetime of taking lives, he saw being assassinated as a fitting end. His boss, shocked by the request, couldn't bring himself to help. Desperate, Claude turned to another assassination agency. This time, he succeeded. Midnight was set as his death hour. Before his scheduled execution, Claude met his girlfriend one last time. She was excited, thinking it was a date. Instead, he coldly broke up with her, ensuring she'd be clear of what was to come. Back at his place, Claude waited quietly for the assassins. Then, just minutes before midnight, a phone call came from his doctor. Claude, preoccupied with his impending fate, was ready to brush off the conversation. But the doctor's words stopped him cold. There had been a mistake. Claude didn't have cancer. The medical report was mixed up with another patient's. Not only was he cancer-free, but he was in perfect health. Claude's brow furrowed as he glanced at the clock. Only 4 minutes left until midnight. 4 minutes before the assassins would arrive. And then came the real twist: he wasn't facing just one killer.